The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile is running a promotion going on right now, so if you guys switch over to Boost Mobile, y'all guys can get a free Samsung Galaxy J7 refund when you guys put your number over to Boost. So if you guys want a free phone from Boost, put your number over to Boost and get a free Galaxy J7 refund. This promotion is available in stores only. This promotion goes on from November 9th until January 7th, 2019. So do keep that in mind. It says select plans only. I'm guessing you have to get the unlimited data plan. I'm not really sure. It says select plan, so I'm guessing you have to get unlimited data plan like the 50, 60, or $80 plan. I'm not too sure about that. But anyways, guys, if you guys want a free phone from Boost, put your number over to Boost and you guys can get a free Galaxy J7 refund. Alright, so that's available. So this promotion is available in stores only, so do keep that in mind. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.